How many of you would like to know the secret of preventing a heart attack? This is Dr. Lenny DACOSTA, a geriatric physician and a functional medicine expert, and the author of the upcoming book, Is Your Doctor Keeping You Sick? Yes, my dear friends, I'm going to share with you today the one secret of keeping yourself free from a heart attack. And this I have learned in my experience of having treated over 25,000 heart care patients non-surgically over the last 15 years. What has come to us is something quite surprising. In our studies as doctors in med school, we were all taught, and in fact today it's a common myth that goes around, that if you have high cholesterol levels, you will get a heart attack. But the studies coming out show that only 40% of the people who suffer from heart attacks actually have high cholesterol levels. And only 60% of them have probably coronary arteries with blockages above 50%. Now that's so much different from what our doctors are telling us, or what even I thought before I started treating these heart care patients non-surgically. The truth is that 60% of the people who actually get heart attacks have low cholesterol levels, and more than 40% of them have normal coronaries. And all this is data coming out from the best and most reputed medical journals worldwide. So what does actually cause this heart attack? What's coming out today from the literature all over the world is that stress is the major cause of a heart attack. So you have two kinds of stress, both environmental and mental. The environmental stress actually builds the hip in your body with all the toxins that you take in. And the mental stress is the one that lights it, or the matchstick that lights it. So if you truly want to stay away or prevent a heart attack, you need to get rid of the mental stress. Easier said than done, right? Well, all you need to do, my dear friends, is drop the stress, drop thinking about it. Because when we start stressing about a problem, it's because we think a lot. So stop thinking about it. Break that cycle. Give it a 3-hour break. Revisit it after that. Or maybe revisit it next morning, sleep over it. And you will see a new perspective. That's when you know you have broken the stress cycle. Because during the stress, or when you are stressed out, you have a lot of cortisol secretions. And these cortisol that is released in your body actually shuts your system down and releases neurotransmitters that lead to a heart attack. When you break this cycle, you have neurotransmitters, and the cortisol levels do go down, thus saving you from a potential heart attack that you may have got due to the stress that you were undergoing. My dear friends, you just need to do it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, send me a comment, share it with your friends and relatives, and I'll see you in my next video. Happy living.